AI isn't just creeping along, it's accelerating like a runaway train. And if you're an entrepreneur or small biz owner stuck on old school manual processes, you're on the tracks, totally clueless about what's coming. Back in '67, London's automated trains had operators laughing until they ran perfectly without them. Now, AI's doing the same to your hustle. It's taking over, snagging jobs you used to do, and if you can't keep up, you're dust. Automation's not slowing down, it's picking up steam. Every day, you're wasting hours copying data, fixing typos, or waiting on approvals that should be instant, all because your workflows are ancient. Meanwhile, your competitors, other SMBs are automating like champs, scaling fast while you're stuck. Here's the deal. Manual processes aren't just a pain, they're killing your growth. AI automation isn't optional anymore. It's do or die. Stick around. I'll show you how to jump on board. Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm stoked to walk you through Diaflow. This thing's got a killer lineup of tools to make your workday way less of a grind. I'm talking a no-code workflow builder. You can whip up any app you want, with AI baked right in. Plus, I've got templates to kick things off and show you the ropes. Like, check this out. Find email address with AI. Pop in a first name, last name, and company domain, and boom. The AI spits out all kinds of info. Sales teams, this is your new best friend. Then there's Pages. Lets you tweak your stuff with a knowledge base you build right there. I've got some Diaflow text here, and with all the usual formatting tricks, you can also hit up the AI to say, summarize a paragraph. How quick is that? Everything's happening inside apps. Your little hub for all the cool stuff you've made. Oh, and tables? My spreadsheet game is so smooth, your database is basically on autopilot. Need to stash some files? Just make a folder on Drive. Call it Diaflow, done. And don't sleep on vectors. Click Add. Slap in a URL like the Diaflow site. And boom, your AI is trained. How cool is that? That's a quick overview of Diaflow's core features. Let's simplify your workday together. Next, it'll explain how stupid easy it is to build an AI app with Diaflow. Ever thought about making one but figured it's too hard? Nah, I've got you. I'm going to build an app where you upload a receipt pic and the AI pulls out all the details. Let's roll. First off, I'm setting up a blank table in Diaflow tables for all that data. Done. Now I'm building the flow. Starts with 2 nodes. Triggers what you ask for, outputs what the AI gives back. In picking file as the input your receipt pic. Gotta tweak it from PDF to an image so the AI can read it, right? Then I tell the AI, yo, grab this data and slot it into the right spots. I'm using JSON formatter to keep it tidy and machine-friendly. Source is that last node. Pull in customer name, address, all that jazz. Plug it into the table I made, set the input, and the output's just text from the closest node. Time to test it. Here's a receipt. Upload it, hit execute, and chill for a sec. Boom, there's the data, 100 spot on, peek at the table. It's all neat and sorted. Last step, export it as an app. Tweak the look however you want and test it again. Final result? Nailed it. You can totally do this too. Let's go next. Next, I'll explain this game changer I'm hyped about. Generate a response to RFP. Normally RFPs are a slog, 5 people, 3 to 4 weeks. With Diaflow, I've got you 80 done in 10 minutes. Here's the deal. Step 1. Hit up the vector section. Make a group called RFP database and just drag in your docs, old RFPs, company profiles. Whatever. It builds this slick AI-powered stash so responses fit your vibe, or it'll wing it with what it knows. Hit create, and it vectorizes fast. Step 2, jump to pages, start a new doc. Pick generate a response to RFP, upload your customer's RFP, and roll with it. AI scans it, tweaks the customer name and outline. Add your company deets, mess with the sections if you want, and keep going. Step 3. Hook up that RFP database from earlier so the AI is pulling from your past wins. Few minutes later, bam, a full-on RFP response, ready to check out. This used to take weeks. Now it's minutes. You've got formatting tools, but AI can level it up too. Like it'll hit improve writing, and it's instantly sharper. Or ask it to write more. Export it to Word, polish it up, and you're golden. 10 minutes, pro RFP done. Diaflow is shaking up the biz game. Then, next, it'll explain how I'm building an AI customer support agent that's on 247 with Diaflow. This thing's gonna level up your customer vibes, cut costs on your support crew, and make it way faster for folks to get your biz. Let's dive in. First, I set up a knowledge base in Diaflow Vector so the AI gets your company, make a group, calling mine Diaflow Customer Support Agent. And toss in your company info, or just plug in your website URL. Easy peasy. Now I'm building this bad boy. Hit Build a Flow on the sidebar. Go to Tools and Apps. It's chatting via text, so I'm setting the query type to long text, slap a label on it. Next, link that knowledge base. Pull data from the vector group I made, using the trigger node as the source. Pick Diaflow Customer Support Agent. Time to process it. Diaflow's got all the hot AI models, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, you name it. Enrolling with OpenAI GPT 4.0 Mini for speed. Add a prompt. Source it from the vector data. And the results coming from the OpenAI node. Test time ask. What's Diaflow? Hit execute and bam, it answers quick off what I gave it. Now publish it. Pick chat interface, customize the look. Go to deployment, drop your site URL, and preview it. Pops up in the bottom right. Your IT crew just embeds it in your site's HTML, and it's live. Ask it stuff, it's instant. This is basic. Think bigger, like ISFOs or training bots. Diaflow's got endless plays for your biz. Right now, for a limited time only, you can snag this at a killer special price. You seriously caught this video at the perfect moment. Talk about luck. Hit up the description below right this second and check it out.